Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about how to trim your beard perfectly. Whether you're growing out a full beard or just maintaining some scruff, it's important to know how to trim it properly to keep it looking neat and tidy. In this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide to trimming your beard like a pro. Let's get started.
Step 1: Wash and dry your beard. Before you start trimming, it is important to wash and dry your beard thoroughly. This will help remove any dirt or debris and make it easier to trim. Use a beard shampoo and conditioner to keep your beard soft and healthy. Step 2: Comb your beard. Next, comb your beard in the direction of the hair growth. This will help you see any stray hairs that need to be trimmed and make it easier to cut evenly. Step 3: Choose your trimming tool. There are a few different tools you can use to trim your beard, including scissors, clippers, and a trimmer. Choose the tool that works best for your beard length and personal preference. Step 4: Trim the neckline. Start by trimming the neckline. Use your fingers to feel for where your jawline meets your neck, and trim any hair below that line. You can use a trimmer or clippers for this step. Step 5: Trim the cheeks. Next, trim the hair on your cheeks. Use a comb to lift the hair up and trim any stray hairs that stick out. Be careful not to trim too much, as this can create an uneven look. Step 6: Trim the mustache. If you have a mustache, trim it next. Use scissors or clippers to trim any stray hairs that hang over your lip. You can also use a comb to lift the hair up and trim it evenly. Step 7: Trim the length. Finally, trim the length of your beard. Use a trimmer or clippers to trim the hair evenly, starting with a longer guard and working your way down to a shorter guard if necessary. Be sure to trim the hair evenly on both. Thanks for watching. Please share the video and subscribe channel for more videos.